Hello everyone, welcome to vsKSM and investment. Today in this video, I'm going to give a tutorial on Mangata Crowdloan using Bifrost. You probably heard about Mangata from me in my previous video, so I will quickly show you how to participate. Go to Bifrost, go to the vCrowdloan, contribute, and put whatever amount of KSM. If you don't have, cross in and then you can join. So I contribute 10 KSM, just show you what happened after you contribute the KSM, why I use Bifrost. So use Bifrost, you will get 30% more rewards from Mangata Crowdloan. So compared to direct contribution, and you will also get vsKSM and also the vsBond. So this vsKSM is different than the vKSM for the staking, and you can see the ratio is around 1 to 2, like 1 KSM you will get around 2 vsKSM, and then from vsKSM you can also convert to the vsBond. So this is almost 1 versus 1, but of course this vBond of Mangata just start, so it's 0.64 because you have to wait 1 year to redeem that. And so the vKSM is the liquidity token for staking. So when you stake KSM, you get a vKSM, and so they are very different, and so don't get confused. So now you have the 10 vsBond and also 10 vsKSM, and each of them the primary worth around 0.5 KSM, and so you can of course convert that. For some of the vsBond you can get even more. So for example this one you get more HICO because they are already due, and be careful here because Bifrost sometimes they limit the time when you can redeem your KSM. So make sure you get the vsBond that you can use and redeem the KSM. Alright, so there's some other things you can do. You can do the LP staking of vsKSM and the KSM. And so here we do the staking, and if you go to the farm, you will see the APY is around 50%. And so here, this 50%, you have to consider the impermanent loss. But of course, this ratio is very stable, I think. Mangata also needs the vsKSM. That means you can go to Mangata and go to their app where you can contribute. Like you can connect to your JS wallet, and you can select the token that you want to add. Let me just show you the APY here. So if you go to the pool and select the KSM and also the vsKSM, and so it's the same LP, and I'm going to just put 1, and so actually it's going to be 2 KSM. One is a KSM, another one is vsKSM, and the APY in 30 days it will be 5,000 MGX. 5,000 MGX. You can also check the worth of that because on their swap you can try to swap this 5,000 to the KSM. That's around 0.18, and so like in total if you put the LP, that's probably 2 KSM, and in 1 month you will get 0.18, so it's around maybe 10% in 1 month. Of course you have to assume this APY just keeps the same, but anyway, like this just give you a basic understanding about the APY on the Mangata and also the APY on the Bifrost if you use a vsKSM. Of course you don't really need to. The vsKSM is just another like way for you to get more rewards from your locked KSM. And so if you contribute through the Bifrost, you will get a vsKSM, and then you can use that one for the LP staking on Mangata or on Bifrost. And so that's pretty much like what you can do with all of those things. And I hope I explained well so you now understand what's going on. And for this Cardano, if you see that on the parachain info, moreover, they actually have more KSM is self-funded. And so looks like the Mangata cannot win this time because the Cardano cap is 6,000 KSM, I think. So it has to be next time. But if you still believe their product, they're doing well, and check my previous video if you want to know more detail about their Cardano, and then you can make your decision. I expect this will be done soon because they are going to reach the Cardano cap very soon. So that's my prediction. Let's see whether that's right or wrong. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.